complete lack of predictability. You didn't get there was a complete lack of predictability. You didn't get what you saw even when you looked at online pictures. Ritesh decided to fill the gap created by unreliability, and in May 2013, he pivoted Orival to Oyo. Oyo aimed to build trustworthy brand identity by gathering a large network of budget hotels room and standardizing them. Agrawal was confident that the customer will come back to me if I deliver a good experience. Now I would like to call Ayush for further explanations.
Thank you, Nisha. Hello, good morning, mentor. I am Ayush Nipati. I want, please, next slide, please. I am Ayush. I want to tell about the OYO operation, how OYO done this operation. Uh,
Ayush, be a bit
First,
louder. You're not audible properly.
yeah, ma'am. Um, the first one is promotion in market. They promote like this. Oyo created a page on a social media like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram for the help of for the help of uh, digital marketing. Then he also got a good response. Then Oyo's Twitter following exceeds 6,000 and Facebook 2.7 lakh followers in the social media. They also done a lot of events and advertising the other side of market. And so this is the way Oyo created a successful market in the market promotion. Then next slide, please. Then the second point is auditing process. Auditing process, Oyo took help of the auditing process like maintain room quality through the strict auditing process, so that can could manage all the rules and regulation with the hotel owner, so that he can provide good and correct service to the customer, and hotel owner does not mash up anything. And Oyo Hotel manage it audit process with every hotel owner, so that they could benefit further and see their reputation and value of customer or also in market. Then the third point is ranking increase process. Ranking increase process. Oyo learned his ranking incremental process in such a way that he provide the app for the owner and the customer more, so that he could give feedback and tell about how I like these facilities, and Oyo took those feedback in the way so that they get to know their direction further they are in profit or loss, or how they are satisfying customer. Next slide, please. uh, in the pricing in the market. Pricing market is, so how did they make their price in the market? Oyo Rooms is associated with many budget hotel, and they started rate is for 999 to 400, because so everyone afforded it. And it name is also increases uh, and it name is also increases in increase in the market. It This is way Oyo started the pricing in the market. And standardizing experience. In the standardizing experience, Oyo has provided for these customers, in which Oyo will five promises for their customer, with the clean washrooms, air conditioner, television, breakfast, and Wi-Fi, uh, so that the standard maintain of Oyo and provide the facility to customer, and this reason their value will be increased in the market also. I would like to call Krishna to the other information.
Thank you, Ayush. My name is Krishna, and my topic is growth of Oyo after its operations. After the operation, it faced lot of issue because of hotel owners. Hotel owners give Oyo rooms to normal customers and normal rooms to OYO customers. This led to customer criticism about the quality of stay and share his negative experience on social media and other traveler agent sites. Now, in 2016, to resolve all these problems, he decided to raise funds from bank and investors and migrate to all the properties in a new model 2.0. Now, what is model 2.0? Before, he had access only and he had access only hotel rooms and inventory, but after this model he had access whole properties from the owners and hand over her management. He also carried internal and external reimbursement for the spaces for OYO standard. The cost of reimbursement sometimes bear by the property owner and sometimes by himself. He also attempted to improve guest and staff interactions and also put 4 to 6 members as a manager to guide them. After migrating into a 2.0 model, what benefits did he get? He was maintained the standard and quality that OYO promises. He has also maximized his wealth and hotels owner wealth. He could fight competition from competitors, which is Make My Trip and Trivago. They provide the rooms at affordable price, which is equal to the amount of one movie ticket. They provide same room which is shown in image with full facility, so the customer was happy to take its service again and again. Thank you. I would like to call Anshita.
Thank you, Krishna. Good afternoon to everyone. Myself Anshita Srivastav, and my topic for today's presentation is service or brands provided by OYO Rooms. OYO Rooms started and famous as branded hotel rooms aggregators and provide many more facilities to visitors rather than just hotel rooms. Services or products which are included in the OYO Rooms are: first, OYO Hotel Rooms. OYO earlier strategy was only they used to lease some rooms every month and provide them to their own customers at profit. But now this has changed, and the rooms are now not leased and operated by OYO Room franchise. They are born to operate as per the predetermined standards. Now, second is OYO Flagship. OYO Flagship was developed initially on 2016 and it is for customers only. OYO Flagship, in which partners used to book their own hotels when they see the less prices on the OYO platform, and this become malpractice benefiting for the partners, while this burning the holes in the OYO's pocket. So to check this and to expand the business, OYO Rooms has started leasing of the hotels where they can have the full control over the day-to-day operations of this establishment. Last one, OYO Townhouse. OYO Townhouse was initially launched by the company, and it is for to enhance the value proposition of the company and to stand out the company from the competition. OYO from the competition. Next is OYO Township is based on the millennial travelers. They are based on the needs and wants of the millennial travelers. Are first elegant rooms. They provide designed and special rooms like the sockets, etc. Elegant space. They provide common space for the meetings and elegant menu like kitchen service. They provide 24 into 7 hours kitchen service, and you can order anything which you want to like with the mobile application. Next slide, please. Next is OYO Asset Management. OYO Asset Management was introduced by OYO to quick up its growth. OYO Asset Management is a service offered to property owners that are looking to transfer its unutilized properties into the model well-furnished hotels. Oyo management focused on its growth and it became the India's largest asset real estate management company. It also captured 1.5 of the India's budget hotel room market across the 200 cities. In September 2017, under Oyo Asset Management, Oyo also introduced Oyo Homes and followed a simple formula to take care of its properties and list them on Oyo and operate it. Now, Oyo also captured a good properties, that is 300 properties within a month. By seeing this, Agrawal gets hope that Oyo share will increase up to 20 to 25. Thank you. Now, for further explanation, I will call upon Sumit.
Thank you, Anshita. Good afternoon, everyone. Uh, I would like to speak about drawback of the other hotel due to which Oyo came into picture. Mainly, Oyo targeted the budget hotel, which is 90% of all the Indian hotel, and it announces it for low price and easy affordable, such that he wants to create a great living space for the common man. We know that common man and a great living space are two different things. But other than another hotel chain, Oyo had made that way. Customer prefer for the Oyo rooms, but why? Since Oyo created a brand in the image of the customer. Nowadays, customer thinks that there is a Oyo, then there will be a good living. Mainly, a customer knows that the image he or she sees in the Oyo app at the exact way they get it. Mostly, customer prefer for Oyo room for reliable services, good price, good location, easy booking, and Oyo support. Reliable services means comfort for the customer with all necessary services such as complimentary breakfast, easy check-in, check-out, and many more facilities. Good price. A common man always bargain for the good price, such that Oyo offers various types of discounts and offers for the customers. In that way, customer can get their own affordable price. Good location. Oyo knows already that the customer always search for the good location. Too easy accessible for their needs, such as near railway station, near airports, or near their workplace. So through technology, it made easier for the customer to search that individual place. Easy booking. Oyo wants to resolve all the problems which is available to access in hotels. So Oyo made it in 3 clicks. Within 5 seconds, a customer can book a hotel and without interrupting check-in. Oyo motive is to turn up, check in, and easily hang out. Oyo support. Oyo support is available in 24/7, wherever needed and whenever needed. Oyo introduces the Captain Oyo, which is available at any time and everywhere to resolve the problems of customers. For instance, a customer is stuck somewhere for unavailability of the hotel. Then Capital Oyo is available for guiding them. Krishna, next slide, please. Mr. Ritesh Agrawal know that the basic entity of the customer is to get the demand. Means they want the great quality, which he promises a AC room, maintained washrooms, free Wi-Fi, and complimentary breakfast. And that will be at low price, which is affordable by the customer. And last, best location. Customer want to be at that place which is easier for them, through which they can easily accessible to their current work. Next slide, please, Krishna. If we see the Airbnb and the Oyo, there is a vast difference between their business model. Airbnb, Airbnb allow to stay in apartment of anybody's house, but Oyo allow you to stay in hotel. So obvious, in Oyo you will get a great experience. Owner of house may cancel your booking the last day due to guest or any other important work. But whereas Oyo, nobody is going to cancel your booking. Airbnb is unpredictable, such that in picture of house and reality may be different. So there is chance of getting uh, there is a chance of getting unsatisfactory product. But Oyo makes sure that the image of hotel shown to the customer be same, so Oyo is predictable. Most of the apartment in Airbnb is not verified, so there is question arises of the security. Whereas Oyo is a hotel, there is already a security and full verified, such that trained manpower is necessary for the comfort of customer. That is why Oyo created the 25 training institute for the staff to satisfy their customers. The Oyo established the high technology for more reliable stay. Oyo made easier for the customer to surf at their site, such that customer who loves to travel is attracted towards the Oyo. Now I would like to call Rohit Sahani for further explanation.
Thank you, Sumit. In the conclusion, so slide change, please. In the conclusion, it is the world's third largest hotel chain in the entire world. US, Europe, and key growth drives. Oyo achieves the title of fourth Asian Indian Excellence and Achievement Awards 2019. Okay, and Ritesh Agarwal had a risk-taking capabilities which leads company to 80 more countries, more countries, be it in the neither Netherlands or the US. Oyo has reached to China with the highest capitalization. Oyo has expanded its presence to over 800 cities with more than 23,000 Oyo branded hotels and 85,000 rooms. The company said in a statement that the achievement is a result of its growth in China. With a presence in the 337 cities and over 5 lakhs rooms, followed by the expansion Indonesia with the presence in 80 cities and over 20,000 rooms and 720 hotels. Where some are the falling behind, other like Oyo are rushing forward with the expansion, competitiveness, and fighting to steal the deal by few more sales. The competition to be ahead doesn't stop there, though social media is the proof that these brands are also competing to be a fastest while responding to the customer complaints and queries. With the increase in the middle class income and availability of more money to spend, the increase in the first time travelers is on the rise, which is the green light for all organization and in the hospitality to the tourism industry to upscale. Thank you.